Hearing regarding demolition of old CCP municipal buildings. So what was the hearing and what quota is ordered?
See, that building was not in a very good shape. It was dilapidated. There is a report given by Goa Engineering College, and based on that, the building was ordered to be demolished by the commissioner, against which parties went before the appellate court, that is the Secretary of Urban Development. Appeal also was rejected, and against that, they came to the High Court. Honorable High Court, few days back, dismissed the petition and allowed the corporation to demolish the building. Now today the issue which was there before the High Court was a different petition filed by the shopkeepers who are just adjacent to that building. Their contention was that there is a suit pending between them and the CCP, and that there was a status quo, and that demolition of the building would affect their structures directly. So on that ground they came to the court and they sought cancellation of the order, wherein they were directed to vacate that area so as to enable the corporation to demolish the entire building, and in order to avoid untoward incidents. So there's public safety, because of public safety and the fact that it is all in the market area, they were requested to vacate the shops. The shops were vacated by them, but they came to the court and said that the order which was issued by the commissioner is bad, and that's why caused that order. Before the Honorable High Court, on behalf of Corporation of City of Panji, statement was made that the intention of the Corporation of City of Panji is not to dislodge them at this stage, and the issue pertains only to the demolition of the building. And if at all whilst demolishing any debris or any structure falls on the shop, we will repair. So the Corporation of City of Panji will restore the shop to the original condition. Based on this statement and considering the fact that they have no other right, the petition came to be rejected and dismissed by this honorable court.
So demolition will be continued.
Demolition of the old building which will be continued.
And how many shops will be vacated from there?
No, these petitioners who have filed a petition actually had no shops in the building to be demolished. Their shops were adjacent in another area. So their worry was that the demolition would affect their structures. That is the reason they came to High Court.
So how many shops are adjacent to that?
There are about 29 shops.
All those have to be vacated.
All those are to be vacated.
Vacated. Till how long?
No, they are already told to be vacated. Demolition has already commenced. As a matter of fact, for last 11 months, they are not utilizing those shops. The shops are they have kept it closed precisely because of the fact that the building is in a very, very bad shape.
Any timeline set for the demolition of the old?
No, the Corporation of City of Panji has already issued an order, and within that particular time stipulated in the order, I think it is 30 days or 45 days, within that the building will come down.
Sir, your name?
Advocate Somnath Kirkar.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
माजी, आपको ना सरप्राइज देना था। इन्होंने अपना ट्रांसफर यहाँ करवा दिया है।
हाँ माँ।
और अब जाके मुझे भी एहसास हुआ कि जिंदगी की खुशी अपने घर में है। और माँ जी, जिस किचन में पंचामृता हो, उस घर में खुशियों के अमृत की बारिश तो हमेशा होती रहती है।
दादी, आज मैंने सुबह गार्डन का सारा काम पूरा कर दिया।
मेरा बेटा।
पंचामृता, भारत की पहचान, घर घर में पंचामृता।